students. Myself, Mrs. Sweetie from Dharavi Kalakilla. Today we are going to learn a new topic in EVS 1, that is communication and mass media. Today's thought: if you want to become big, stop thinking small. I repeat, if you want to become big, stop thinking small. Children's, now see in the first slide. What do you see?
A natural boy.
A natural boy. Yes. Good. Yes.
Yes. Second is calm.
Calm. Yes.
Third is resentful.
Yes.
Fourth is playful.
Yes.
And fifth one is frightened.
Yes.
And fifth one is sixth one sad.
Yes.
And satisfied.
Yes.
Ailing.
Yes.
Thoughtful.
Hmm.
Jolly.
Yes.
Crying.
Yes.
Angry.
Yes.
Funny.
Yes.
Enormed.
Yes.
Astonished.
Yes.
Laughing.
Very good. Excellent. That you can see a boy changing his face. That means facial expression. Okay. Now lesson number 15 of your EVS textbook, EVS 1, Communication and Mass Media, page number 76.
Okay.
Okay. Now can you see the slide?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now read that sentence.
Most common way to communicate.
Very good. Most common ways to communicate. Okay. The first is speaking, second is writing, third is visual image, and fourth is body language. Okay. Now I will ask you questions. When you feel hungry at home, so how do you communicate with your mother? When you feel hungry at home, so how do you
We
communicate?
tell mom we are very hungry.
So which way you use? Which way? Speaking, writing, visual image, or body language? How do you communicate with your mummy that you are feeling hungry?
We show our face.
Okay,
We
you
are
use body language and you also speak na mummy with mummy?
yes.
Yes. So speaking is also a way to communicate. Now, next question I will ask you. When your teacher gives you to solve or complete your homework, so which communication you use?
We tell
Writing.
so much.
Writing communication.
Okay, teacher gives you homework, something to write. So you all write. Yes. So here you use writings. Okay, next question. When you want to see any sports or cartoon or any news channel, so which communication you use?
Visual image.
Okay. Visual image and as well as audio also. Okay. To
Yes.
listen. Okay. Yes, now when you are watching TV, you watch also, you see the image also, and side by side you listen also. That is audio. Okay. Next question. When you are not allowed to talk, so which way you can communicate?
Speaking.
No. When you are not allowed, when you are not permitted to talk, so which way you communicate? You don't have to talk. And how you will message? How will you communicate if you want to say anything to someone? With the help of
Body language.
body language. Yes, very good. So, speaking, writing, visual image, body language, these are all the 4 ways to communicate. communicate? Anyone will tell me which are the 4 ways to communicate?
Speaking, writing, visual image, body language.
Very good. Excellent. What is communication? Can anyone read?
The exchange of an idea and thought is called communication.
Very good. The exchange of an idea and thoughts is called communication. Now, myself and you all are talking with me. So we are exchanging our idea. Yes or no?
Yes, we are changing our
An idea and thoughts. So it is called communication.
identification.
What are the old means of communication in olden days? How people used to communicate in olden days?
Body language.
Old.
Old.
See, you can see the images.
Yes, teacher. Radio.
Yes.
Fire signal.
Yes.
Smoke signal.
Yes.
Ship flags. TV. Drums. Telegram. Pigeon. Telephone. Snail mail. Morse code. Cave drawing. Message on stone columns.
Very good. Excellent. So this were the old means of communication. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what are the modern means of communication? Modern.
Writing, body language.
Modern means of, now what we are using. Now I'm giving you a lecture. So I'm using my laptop or Android phone. Yes or no? Yes. So these are the modern means of communication: laptop, mobiles, Android mobile.
If we want to tell anyone, we can call them with the mobile in
Yes.
modern.
Yes. Now, what do you see in the picture? Tell me.
The family is watching TV.
Very good. Family is watching TV. Okay. So, how this TV is working? Can anyone tell me?
The electricity and communication.
Yes, that is satellite. Satellite is useful to
Satellite.
send the signals. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me, what do you see in this picture?
They are talking.
Both are talking, right?
Yes.
Apart from that,
Satellite.
apart from that,
Mobile.
yes, both are using mobile. In the first picture, you can see the man is in the city.
Yes. And this one is in a
Rural area,
village.
that is village. Very good. Yes, this
Yes.
means that nowadays mobile phones has taken place in rural as well as urban. Yes or no?
Yes.
Village as well as city. Yes, means village people are also using mobile
Mobile.
phones. Even they are using laptop, computers. Yes.
Yes.
Now, what do you see in this picture?
Both are talking using mobile. This one is small, old mobile and new age mobile.
Yes, very good. That grandpa is also using mobile and chatting, and the small child, a kid, is also using a mobile. Yes or no? In this coronavirus, all the children are having mobile phones. They are carrying mobile phones to schools also. Yes or no?
Yes.
At home also they are using mobile phones to attend their lecture. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher, like we are
Yes. So the old man is also using mobile and chatting, and the small children are also using mobile in this pandemic. What is mass media? Observe the picture carefully now. What do you see now here?
teacher, satellite, TV. From
Yes.
satellite, we take the news report from anywhere. Like we watch news in the TV, so we connect.
Yes. Okay. See the reporter. Yes. The cameraman is there. The reporter is giving news. Yes. The news
Yes,
channel
they
is
are
that TV
recording.
channel. Yes. There is a satellite. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. The signal is sending. Yes. So
Yes,
it
to
is come from
everywhere.
TV. Yes. Yes. On radio. The boy is reading the
Yes,
news. Yes. So satellite is used to send signal from one place to another place.
please.
And with the help of satellite, we can watch TV. Yes. And we are
Yes, we
able to
watch many shows from the satellite.
it it is used to send signals. So we get the news. Okay.
Yes,
Now see what the boy is doing on a wheelchair.
he is reading a newspaper.
Yes. Okay. Can you tell me the names of some newspaper names? Newspaper names. Names of newspaper. Times of India, for example.
Teacher, we have to tell channel.
No, names of newspaper name. Newspaper. I have told you, give an example, Times of India. Any newspaper name, Marathi newspaper, English.
We don't know.
Don't know? Okay. Times of India, Midday, Lokmat, Samna. Yes? Have you
Teacher,
heard?
we not read newspaper, na, that's why.
Okay. Your mummy or daddy may be reading the newspaper.
Yes.
They must be knowing. So you can ask them the names of newspaper. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Now what do you see in this picture?
Teacher, satellite.
Very good. Excellent. Now what is the use of the satellite?
For sending signals.
For
Yes.
sending signal.
Yes. It controls mobile signals also and weather forecasting.
Yes.
Weather forecasting. TV signals is fulfilled with satellites. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Where are satellites located?
In space. In space.
Satellite is used to send signal from one place to another. With help of satellite, we can watch TV, and it also controls mobile signal, weather forecasting.
We can talk with our mobile also to anyone.
Yes. Okay, now what do you see in this picture?
A rocket, teacher. A
Rocket.
rocket going into a space.
Okay, apart from this, rocket is launching in space. Yes,
Yes.
from the different parts near to the water bodies. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Satellites control mass media. All these things fulfilled by satellite. Okay, now what do you see in this picture?
A news channel.
Mass media.
And
Mass media.
yes,
Signal. News are coming on TV.
yes, very good. And tell.
They are recording the
Mass.
Yes. Say. Shooting is going on. Yes.
shooting. They are shooting the what are they are doing.
So all this is controlled by satellite. Satellites control mass media. Satellites control mass media. All these things fulfilled by
Mass
satellite.
media.
Satellite.
Who will read this heading?
Yes, I can read this.
Yes, impact of
Television. Television can be powerful teacher.
Television can be powerful teacher.
visit to the zoo, library, bookstores, and other activity recreations, null setting and educations videos can catalingly serve as powerful teaching device. Radio, it is powerful mass media used in education for disseminating informations, importing intru- instructions, and giving entertainment. Radio
Okay,
has
okay, okay. Stop. Stop. Okay. Impact of electronic media. First is television. Television means TV. Yes. Television can be
Yes,
powerful
TV.
teacher. Yes. With the help of TV, you can get many information also. Even even educational information also you get from TV. It stimulates visits to the zoo, libraries, bookstores, and other active recreational settings, and educational videos can
Yes,
serve as powerful teaching devices. Yes, you can see educational videos also. Now, radio. Radio also is a powerful mass media. On radio, you can hear the news. You can even get the lectures of education. The doctors also gives the lecture, live lectures given by
yes.
doctors.
They
Okay?
tell that
They tells to
corona
take.
positive and how much.
Yes. Imparting instruction and giving entertainment. Radio has the power to bring the world to the classroom, and program could be presented as textbooks on the air. Even on radio, they give the lectures.
yes, we get news also on radio.
Yes. Mobile devices. The advent of mobile devices have changed the learning methods of students. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Students store all their notes in mobiles and study from it because it is easy and convenient. Nowadays, teacher gives you all PDF. Yes or no? So
Yes, teacher.
you all go on PDF and you all write down your notes. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes or no? Your time is also not wasted. Yes. In
yes,
writing sometimes. Yes.
Yes.
yes, teacher.
So the impact of electronic media on TV, radio, mobile devices we have seen just now. Now, advantages of telecommunication and mass media means what are the benefit? What are the uses of this telecommunication and mass media? Now, the first
But
point we will read.
Teacher,
First
I am
point.
reading
Yeah,
Aditya.
read.
Miss, I can read
Read
first
one.
and second can read Aditya, and second, third and fourth read I, and
Aditya, you read. Aditya will read. Aditya read.
Okay, teacher. We can easily contact people far away from us.
Yes. Stop. We can easily contact people far away from us. Yes or no?
Yes, we
With the
talk.
help of mobile phones, video calling. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because of mass media, telecommunication. Yes. Next
Let's
point.
see. Okay,
Next
teacher.
point.
the time and expertise in exchanging information can be saved.
The time and effort. The time and effort spent in exchanging information can be saved. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
With
people
the
can see far vended about nature, disaster like
Disaster,
storm, terminate,
tsunamis, flood,
flood,
etc.
okay. Because of mass media telecommunication, people can be forewarned that natural disasters like storm, tsunamis, flood, earthquakes, yes,
yes,
natural disaster, they can be informed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Through news
yes,
channel that it has happened. Yes.
yes,
Yes.
Fourth,
Useful to build awareness about health, education, research, trade, etc.
Yes. Through telecommunication, mass media, it is useful to build awareness amongst people about health education. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
They are saying now in this COVID period, wash your hands. Yes. Frequently
Yes.
use mask, use sanitizer. So all this news can be uh, possible because of this telecommunication, mass media. Next point,
Useful to
implement.
important government
Implement government schemes
scam
and plannings.
planting.
Useful to implement government schemes and planning. All is possible because of telecommunication and mass media. Government schemes, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Yes, government schemes.
Yes.
Yes, they are telling on TV now. Yes, information is given on TV now,
Yes.
radio.
And TV, mobile.
Yes.
Yes. 6. It helps to fulfill basic needs, food, clothing, and shelter of everyone. All this is possible because of telecommunication and mass media. Now, read this.
Okay, teacher. Fears of
Missing out.
Missing out.
social
Social
media.
media.
Stress, depression, feeling, loss of reality, education, isolation, low self
Reality.
reality,
Miss, I can read one time.
Yes, yes. Read.
Fears of missing out. Social media addiction. Street desperation. Online negative feelings. Loss of reality. Educations. Isolation. Low self
Isolation.
exhalation, low self-esteem, enough, and stay.
Envy
What is
and
this? Yes.
okay, so what are the disadvantage of this mass media and communication? That fears of missing out, that is addiction. People nowadays, children are so much addicted to mobile. Yes or no? Yes.
yes, teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
After lecture, they playing games on mobile. Yes or no?
yes, teacher,
So that means they are addicted.
yes,
Yes. Because of this, even parents are of work from home. People are getting stress. Yes, they are feeling loneliness, depression. Yes, work
yes,
from home.
teacher,
Yes, anytime any message is coming. Yes, so the mass
Yes.
media is also, there are disadvantages also. Now
yes,
disadvantages of communication and mass media.
Miss, I can
This,
read this
yes,
first.
yes, okay.
Samika Chirude. Miss, I can
Read, read,
second. Ex-
read. Excessive.
excessive use of the television, computer, or mobile cause disorders of ears, eyes, and back.
Very good.
Physical,
See,
physical.
okay, wait. Stop, beta. Excessive use of television, computer, or mobile causes disorders of eyes, ears, and back. Yes or no? Yes, na?
yes,
Yes, teacher.
If we use TV, computer, or mobile for longer time, it may cause
right,
disorder of
It
our
may have.
eyes, ears, back. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sitting in front of PC, computer for longer time, we have a back pain. Yes.
yes,
Even our eyes spoil. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Longer time we talk on mobile phone with ears phone, so our ears also affected.
Yes. Miss,
Second point,
teacher, second physically disordered and
physical
isolation.
discord and social
Installation.
Yes, psychological disorder and isolation. Okay. Third,
Yes.
Okay.
Too much wastage of time on TV, mobile games, etc.
Extra.
yes, we are wasting our time, too much wastage of time on TV, mobile games, etc. We are, instead of attending our lectures, we are playing games. So that means we are wasting our time. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Lack of physical exercise. Yes? Fourth point, lack of physical exercise. We are not able to write. We are just sitting in front of mobile and just looking. Okay? Here and there. So there is lack of physical exercise.
Overuse disturb the family life.
family life.
Yes, when we are using continuous mobile, we are not giving time to our family. We are not listening to them. So that means we are disturbing our family life. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
6 point.
It can disturb the peace of and order in the society.
Yes,
Yes,
and
teacher.
disturb the peace and order in the society when we are using this mass media like mobiles,
Yes, teacher.
television, computer. So we are not giving time to our family. So it disturbs the peace at our home also as well as society also. So these were the disadvantages of communication and mass media. Now it's time for evaluation.
Okay.
True or false? You have to say me. Read first
Our,
sentence.
our use of mobile phone leads the distance of the ear. True. True.
True.
Overuse of mobile phone leads to diseases of the ears. Yes, true.
True. It's a
Yes,
true.
true. Very good.
Technology
Next,
we can hear the world.
second sentence.
News by new technology we can see each
Each
other.
other while talking on the telephone. True. True.
By new
Miss,
technology, we can see each other while talking on the telephone. Yes.
true.
Third,
Newspaper is the audio visual means of communication. Yes, true.
no. Is newspaper an audio visual?
No,
You
no,
can
no,
you can hear from newspaper. Audio is given.
no.
So
False.
it is false. Very good.
We
Oh,
can penetrate with the help of mass of communication. True.
yes.
True. True. By
Fifth,
media, people can be forward about the natural disaster. True.
yes.
True.
Yes, true.
True. It's
Radio
true.
uses to
True. It is also true.
True.
Seventh,
Mobile games
Mobile games increases the physical fitness. True. Miss,
out.
true. No false.
Na mobile games increases your physical fitness. No, na?
No false. Running and jump lead the diseases of eyes. No false.
No false.
Teacher.
You can take the screenshot of this. True or false?
Yes, I am taking.
Miss, I also take it screenshot.
I also take it.
Now name the following means of communication. Tell any means of communication.
Miss, radio,
Yes.
And
Yes.
mobile.
mobile, newspaper,
Okay. Very good. Natural calamities.
natural.
Like earthquakes, Tsunamis. There
Top
anyone? Floods.
Yes.
These are what
Emojis,
natural calamities.
emotions expressed by face. Sad, happy.
Yes, very good.
Miss sad, happy.
Okay. Playful, anger. Yes. When
Yes.
I have started the lesson in the first
Sad,
slide, I have shown you different faces. Yes, facial
angry,
expression, emotion.
yes, teacher.
Okay, now listen. Now observe this picture. Amod's
Amar
mother is
mother
worried
mother
about
is
health.
worried about him.
When
When
will
will
she feel
she feel
better?
better?
The boy will not watch. Mode will not watch the TV.
Very good, excellent. That means when he will not watch TV
Was
for
that?
a longer time. Yes
He
or no?
will take
Yes. Miss, when Ahmad is not watching TV, then he feel better.
Yes. Very
What difference the computer made to your life?
of time.
What
What?
difference has the computer made to your life? Miss, computers give us send to email
Yes.
use
for WhatsApp. We use for WhatsApp. We use for see
anything
the movies.
games on computer.
Yes.
We do online classes also on the computer.
Excellent.
Yes.
So this all the points you can write in your notebook. Okay?
At homework.
Huh. Take the screenshot of that.
Miss, when we want to send it,
You
Talk
can
with our
send to your
computer
class teacher.
video call.
Miss, I take a screenshot of it.
I also take it.
Write down the educational uses of mass media.
also take it.
For
Newspaper, computer, mass media, radio.
Mass media means you have to write down the educational uses. Mass media.
Yes.
Only related to education. Okay. Tell any 1 or 2 points.
Miss, I take a screenshot of it.
Okay. So write down the educational uses of mass media.
okay, teacher, 2 minutes.
Use mask, use sanitizers, stay home, stay safe.
Stay safe. Bye, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye. Have a nice
Read the lesson.
Teacher.
Bye, Miss. Bye, teacher.